Hi, hello, and how do you do? I'm Rochelle, welcoming you back for part 2 of the shoe rack episode. Yay! If you don't remember what happened last time, it didn't go very well. I ripped a shelf right out the gate. I was dropping poles everywhere. It was bad. Luckily, we only have 1, 2, 3 more shelves to go. Hopefully they go better than last time. Right, so we need the poles and T-joints. I remember stuff. See, I got this. As long as they go together right. I got this. This pole already stunted. Arby's has a new milkshake. Guys, it's a rainy day and I got sent on a office run and saw that Arby's has this. This is a s'mores shake. And this is my first reaction. Oh my God. That is delicious. It's marshmallowy, but not too marshmallowy. Hunks of graham cracker. Perfect. Perfect. Well done, Arby's. Well done. That was pretty good. Let's see. What else? I hit a lower note in vocal lessons than my vocal coach thought I could. She said it would be physically impossible for me to hit that note. I did it. My niece was here. We had some mac and cheese for dinner. It was perfectly delightful. And now I'm just trying to finish this shoe rack project. Added something to make it crooked. Alright. Dumped all these on the bed. Put all the poles on the bed. We have an odd number of poles. Either I lost one, or there's gonna be something else in the directions about this. But I don't see anywhere where it looks like we just need one pole. Another thing we have upgraded, if you can't tell, we are taking a tip from one of very few people who have decided to try to help me and give me a clue here on what I could improve on. And they said to try filming this way, which I eventually found a tripod that would hold my phone that way. So, hello to everyone who can probably see me a lot clearer now. It's only the first out of only 3 shelves I have to do. And it's defeating me. I did those ones the other day. And I can't finish it. I'm still not gonna ask him. I'm not. Got this. I think I got this. It just won't fit. Just moving on. I'm just moving on. Maybe I have to rip another one. Get to Can I just be proud of this part for a second? You ever just been defeated by a Wish product? right for the moment and everything. There is no way this thing's gonna be straight at all. Really hate. Have I said that? Have I said how much I dislike this thing? Well, we are missing some T-joints. Instead of worrying about it that much, I'm just gonna combine the last two shelves. Not the last two. The broken shelf and the crooked shelf into one shelf, since we only have enough T-joints for that many. Anyway, maybe I'll end up finding them around the house somewhere, but I doubt it. Wish to strip. You might have lost a star, Wish. It's straighter than I am. Right! Yay! Now I just gotta replace the broken one with that one. And I think we're good to go. Bye-bye, cracker shelf. I still might reinforce it with duct tape just because I got some cool duct tape. It doesn't feel like it's gonna hold much, and I know duct tape can at least hold me, because I have made a duct tape chair. I loved that chair. Someone too big sat in it. Come on. Alright, we are actually on to step 4. So I take these, put them together. So I take these and stack these. How? I don't. Okay. Look at that, done! Yay! I made a shoe rack. If only it were that simple, but I got one done. I should probably see what happens next. Where do you go? It's not very clear on the directions. I'm glad you're in English, but it'd be cool if you had some more words. So, directions are gonna be no help. Well, least case scenario, or worst case scenario, I'll just have a bunch of tiny shoe racks. Yeah, that'll work, right? Just a bunch of little shelves. Power just flickered, so that was weird. I'm not scared because it's the beginning of October and power's going out. I have no idea what that was. Oh, it's because my light turned off. That's why I look so weird now. Guys, I figured it out. Like 2 days later, probably about 3 hours actually trying to do this, I figured it out. I feel like such a dumb blonde. That's stereotyping I'm not gonna stand for. But I'm really not helping the stereotype. Chirac stressing me out. It's installment. It comes past my rules. Yeah, I'm short, but that's awesome for me. Yay. I'm doing it. I'm really doing it. Look at this thing. It's as big as the bed. Alright guys, I'm gonna go to bed. I'll try to put that the rest of the way in the closet first thing in the morning. That'll probably be how this video ends. So if I get it, here's a clip of that. Alright, it's kind of dark in the closet here, but here's the shoe rack. I ended up making it a little shorter than what you last saw because it was a little too tall. And then, as you can tell, those are clothes and not shoes. But those are shoes on the other part of the shoe rack that I have below. So it might not be how they wanted it, but it's how I got. One final thing. If you want to know what it's supposed to look like, here's what the original Link looked like. Yeah. Notice the difference? Oh, one final thing. Don't forget, guys. You could win the fabulous t-shirts. All you have to do is tell me a story of a time you were fabulous, and you'll probably win. Because not very many people know how to follow my directions yet. Alright, that was it. That was the shoe rack. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I made you laugh, because I felt like crying. But I will catch you next time for whatever shenanigans I get into. Bye!